fucking wizard.
Some of the new ones are already on.
Look at this. I'm ready to order my headers, ready to add them to my cart, and fucking back ordered. This is some bullshit. Every time I try to order car parts, back ordered. People ask me, they say, Carl, where does your money go? To this. For that Rumble, baby. Alright, everybody. I just woke up. I look homeless as shit, but I have good news. So today I'm going on a trip with my friends. We leave at 11. I scheduled my headers to be so that I can pick them up at a location that is 7 minutes away. It is 9:26 right now, so that leaves us with like 2.5 hours, kinda. That depends if we leave at 11. So that we gotta go pick up my headers, and we gotta install them bitches all before 11. We got some work to do. Oh, what the fuck? Woo!
My money's standing 6'4", I'm in a 6'4".
I'm basically here! Where's the FedEx? That's on Walgreens! Where's the FedEx? Fuck it. Fuck it. Alright, word on the street is FedEx is on site in this bitch. So if I walk in here and my parts aren't here, I'm gonna be pissed. Always got it back and wherever you go, because it's a fucking car show everywhere. Alright, I'm in this motherfucker and I don't even see my own headers. I better have them in the back. You want the tracking number?
I want the plastic plus the spelling again.
White. Huh? It's big. Yeah, it's probably bigger than that. They can't fucking find it. Well, since FedEx wants to fuck me over, like I don't have plans today. Basically, I just have to wait because apparently they're not here, and I have to wait till they're here. If they're not here by 11, then I'm fucked, and I have to do it when I get back. Actually, if I get them bitches today, I don't care how it gets done. They're getting installed today, so that means I'm gonna bring everything 3 or 2 hours away, and I'm gonna do it out there, because my name's Cruddy Carl, and I'm a fucking wizard. That, I don't know what I'm going to do. So, I'm just gonna go home now. Made it out here. It's gonna be a long ass weekend. I missed my haircut, so I look kind of homeless, and I still don't have my headers. But I'm gonna be drunk in like 2 hours, so it's okay. It is now Sunday, 8:30. I just got back, like in the area, basically like home. Super tired, but now I have to go to FedEx and we're gonna go pick up the headers and we're gonna install them bitches. But first, I gotta help my sister move. But I just want to go home before I do any of that because I just feel greasy. I have to go help my sister move, pick up my friend Dylan, help my sister move, get back to my house, and install these bitches. I am quite sure I look like shit right now, but that is okay. I finished everything. It's like, I think it's like 7 o'clock. Yeah, 7:06. We are losing daylight, but that's okay because I have headers in my car. I am ready to piss off my neighbors. So, I'm pretty sure I just have to clean out my garage. So, let's go. Alright, so it's cold as shit outside, but that's okay. So today we have my Tomei unequal length headers, which will give us that Subi rumble, but will also fix that torqued it between 4,000 RPMs because I don't know if you've ever fucked around with it. If you go around 4,000 RPMs and you try to pull, you feel it. But this should fix all that today, and it should piss off my neighbors. So let's get it started. So we're up to $1,500 with the catback and the front pipe and all the tools that I've spent and all that I've bought. Plus this is $675, which puts us at $2,175 so far for everything that I've put into this car already to $2,175. That's a lot of school books. Ooh. Ooh. All right, we're under the car. So jack your car up, and then you're going to remove this metal, I guess you would call it a skid pad or whatever you want to call it. It's right next to your drain plug. So you're gonna remove this, and that'll expose the headers completely. There's a couple of bolts all around the edges, so it's a bunch of them, so don't fucking lose them. Let's get it. So all these bolts right here, all of them around are gonna be 12 millimeter. So just make sure you got your 12 mil. So you're gonna find 3 of these little bolts right here. They're all gonna be 10 mil. So you're just gonna wanna take them off, and that's what'll help you get this little shield off. And then there are these 3 little pops right here that are most likely holding it on. I'll tell you how to get those off. Most likely just use a flathead on them. All right, after taking 10 bajillion years to get all those clips off and those bolts out, you now have your headers exposed, which now you want to go up top and open up your engine bay, and I'll show you why. What the fuck? This was just sitting in my engine bay. All right, but as I was saying, if you look down there in the engine bay right there at the bottom, those are your headers. And if you follow the 2 O2 sensor lines all the way up from your headers, one of them leads you to that black one right there. And you're just going to disconnect that one, and then you're also going to want to disconnect this one right here. So you're going to disconnect these 2. You're going to disconnect these 2, and you're going to let them dangle because those connect to your headers. And if you pull it out without disconnecting that, you'll fuck something up. So if you look here, you can see that I have one O2 sensor. It's hanging right there, and then the other one is it's somewhere over there, but it's hanging. So now what you want to do is you want to disconnect your headers from the overpipe right here, and then you're gonna come to one side. You're gonna disconnect this bolt right here and this bolt right here, and then you're gonna go to the other side, which should be the same exact thing, which is it's gonna be right up in here. These bolts up here, and then your header should just come out. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so now that we got the old headers out, all we have to do is take these 2 O2 sensors off and then connect them to that one, and then install those headers over there. And then that's pretty much it. Just replace the gaskets on all of them, And then, yeah. So let me show you what's going on under the car, though. So with me, it took me a little bit longer to do it because this stud actually came all the way out. It wasn't supposed to. It's connected to the headers, but this time it came out. All right, and so you got one exhaust port here for the left side of the headers, the one over here to the right, and then the connection to the overpipe. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna stick on the 2 new gaskets on both sides, switch the O2 sensors, and then connect everything back up. And that should pretty much be it. Damn. I've reached the problem. So I need, I believe, like a 20 mil wrench, because if you look right here, I need to get these 2 O2 sensors off. I have an 18 mil, but it's like just barely too small. So I think I need like a 20 mil, maybe a 22, somewhere around there. I'm pretty sure it's like a 20 though. Update, Hunter, my boy, my guy, he lives down the street. He's coming to hook me up once he finishes his homework. Hopefully he has what I need just to finish this up, and we'll see what happens. You got what I'm looking for. Ooh, came in clutch, baby. Ooh, my boy Hunter came through clutch. He came through. We got him off the old pieces of shit. And now we're just gonna put on the new ones. They're already on there. So now all we gotta do is just put on gaskets and rebolt everything, connect the O2 sensors, and wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. We got some rumbles going. A gasket. Yeah, that's a gasket. Holy fuck. Pick it up. Oh, fuck. Boom, baby. Got it all installed. Over to the overpipe. Up here, we got them installed, and over there. So now, once we start up, there should be no leaks. So, startup time? Check it out, baby. Check it out, baby. No check engine lights, just how we like it. Okay, so let's recap. So today I drove back from Deep Creek, which is like 3 hours away, helped my sister move, successfully installed my headers, and my neighbors hate me because I started at like 11 o'clock at night. How could this day get any better? Now, my official thought on these headers, honestly, now, at first I thought I was going to be like, oh man, maybe it's not going to get the sound that I want, but it definitely gets the sound that I want. I don't know how to explain it. This video probably doesn't do it any justice. I just say, you know what, if you want to improve your car, buy some unequal length headers. You know, my car improved throttle response, it fixed that torque dip at 4,000 RPMs, because that shit sucked, and I mean, it sounds better. What more can you ask for? I think, what are you doing? Wasting your time? Go buy some headers. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.